Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So when you find phone link in Microsoft Store, you don't see it. And if you want to install phone link, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now there are two ways. One way is to copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. This is Microsoft link. So you can open any browser, you can paste the link and then hit the enter key. You will see phone link install option. Click on install. It will prompt you to open Microsoft Store. So click on open Microsoft Store and then it will open Microsoft Store with install option over here. So you can click on install and you should be able to use phone link. You should be able to install phone link on your Windows computer. Now there is another way to run this command. This command is provided in the video description. Copy this command and then type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you run Windows PowerShell as an administrator. Click on yes to allow and then you can paste the command over here. Hit the enter key. Once you hit the enter key, it will ask you, the publisher requires that you view the above information, accept the agreement. So type in yes over here, yes, and then hit the enter key. Here you can see starting package install, and this will take a couple of seconds or maybe a few minutes, and this should be installed. So here you can see successfully installed, and then you can type in phone link in Windows search box and you should be able to use phone link. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.